my hair is long as fuck. Get the hair from my motherfucking scalp all the way down to my pussy, bitch. No time to play, didn't need no game, just had to say.
Shorty swing my way. Swing it over here, shorty. To start off my routine, I always detangle my hair, which I did off camera. I had a protective style, and if you know, you know, so I definitely detangled that. And then I just rinsed my hair in water, comb it through, and now you see me parting my hair in 2 sections because I always work in sections. I'm actually trying a new method where I twist my hair so I can focus the shampoo solely on my scalp. Today I'll be using the Miracle Moist shampoo by Aussie. This is my first time trying any of their products, so I'll just be using a generous amount of that, and I'm trying my best to lather my hair up, but my hair dries super fast, y'all, so that's why it doesn't seem like it was lathering enough. But I did go in and put a little bit more water, so now I'm just making sure that I massage that in my scalp, and I'm also making sure not to use my nails. I'm actually using my fingertips, which was actually hard, but I still did what I had to do. And then you can see on the next side that is actually lathered up a lot because I made sure to wet it. You can actually see the difference in the back, but you know, it is what it is. I'm not sure what to call this brush, but I got it from the beauty supply store, and I just like to use it to make sure I'm really getting all of the buildup out of my hair. And it also helps with blood circulation by massaging my scalp, and you know, blood circulation plays an important part with hair growth. Starting from the bottom and working my way up, I'm taking this wide tooth comb and I'm just combing out any tangles that I had in my hair. I really didn't like that method that I used with the 2 twists because, as you can see, my hair was very tangled in the middle, which was where the twist started. So now I'm using this, well, let me get to the part, here we go. Now I'm using this brush. This is a tangling brush that I got from the hair store. I think it was like $6.99. I'm rinsing out all of the shampoo, making sure to wash it, making sure my scalp is nice and clean, and then I'll be going in with that brush. And I really love it because I'm all for getting those tangles out without breaking off the hair. Going in with the deep conditioner by Aussie. This is a 3-minute miracle deep conditioner. I left it on for a good 25 minutes, but the second that I put it on, y'all, it had my hair feeling so good. It just felt so, look at it, like, look at it. Who is she? But yeah, so now I'm taking my brush and I'm just making sure that I'm distributing that product all throughout my hair, every last strand, because I need all the moisture that I can get. Okay, then I'm just gonna put this up, and like I said, 25 minutes.
Many minutes later.
Now that I'm back, I like to rinse out the deep conditioner, and I also like to make sure my hair not tangled. And just look at that, y'all. It just looks so shiny, y'all. It had my hair feeling so soft. While my hair's still wet, I like to go in with the hair repair oil and coconut and jojoba oil. The company name was ORS, I believe. I also got all of these products from my hair supply store, but I did get the Aussie products from Walmart, and I believe it was like under $10, y'all. And I got 3 products. Y'all didn't see me use the detangling one, but I did use that. Now I'm going in with the Moisture Miracle leave-in cream, and I'm also putting that in my hair, making sure that I get that all throughout my shaft. Now I'm just making sure that I brush that out, making sure that I get it through all of those strands. Look at that. Look at those curls. Yes, curls. Who is she? Now I'm just braiding my hair up because I am going to let my hair air dry. I don't need the blow dryer, so I'm just going to do that. And yeah, look at that. Bing, bing, bam. And she's done. Bye, y'all.